Worldwide leadership in foundry equipment. The future of foundry engineering, engineered today by VME. Sri Murugan Foundry Equipment. World-class technology, equipment and system for foundries. Sri Murugan Foundry Equipment has been set up by well-qualified engineers who have vast experience in the design and manufacture of modern foundry equipment since 1980. VME offers integrated solutions tailored to the business and market requirements of our customers in foundry planning, foundry plant engineering, foundry machines, shot block system. VME sand preparation equipment. Intensive sand mixers. Fulfills all requirements for excellent sand quality, which is essential for the consistent production of high quality casting. It creates the conditions for a perfect mix with uniform properties, capacities ranging from 200 kg to 1500 kg per batch. Sand mix millers and core sand mixers. Sand mix millers and core sand mixers are specially designed with sturdy construction. Only best quality and tested raw materials are used, and hence long life is ensured even at high working rate. Capacities ranging from 100 kg to 1500 kg per batch. Fluidized bed cooler classifier. VME fluidized bed cooler classifier employs a unique fluid bed technology to cool green sand. Cooler classifier ensures dust-free constant temperature of return sand, ranging from 10 ton to 60 tons per hour. Sand dryer, ranging from 1 ton to 5 tons per hour. VME sand plant equipment. Rotary polygonal sieve, ranging from 10 ton to 80 tons per hour. Prepared sand aerator. Belt conveyors feeding to sand supply unit. Return sand disintegrator. Bucket elevator for customized solutions, ranging from 10 ton to 50 tons per hour. Vibratory conveyor, ranging from 10 ton to 50 tons per hour. Pneumatic sand transporter. Compact and fully automatic with PLC control. Negligible power consumption. Only compressed air used for conveying. Range from 1 ton to 6 tons per hour. VME's mold handling equipment. Molding machine. All parts are made of SG iron casting. Powerful impact jolting with high dynamic squeeze force for uniform and rigid mold. High pin lift stroke. Hydropneumatic swinging, swing out. Range starting from 200 kg to 900 kg capacity. Mechanized mold handling system. Roller conveyor system. Mechanized punch-out system. Mold boxes and accessories. VME's metal handling equipment. Mechanized pouring system. Ladle preheater as per customer requirements. Bottom pouring ladle. Custom made ladles. Type of ladles. Lip pouring ladles. Teapot spout ladles. Treatment ladles for the production of ductile SG iron. Transfer and casting ladles. Bottom pouring ladles. Range up to 30,000 kgs. VME's fettling equipment. Knockout machine. Vibratory knockout. Knockout machine 20,000 kgs. Inline knockout machine. Vibratory motor type. Inline knockout machine. Eccentric gear type. Range starting from 500 kgs to 20,000 kg capacity as standard. Spinner hanger shot blasting machine. VME spinner hanger rotoblast cleaning machine is specifically suitable for surface treatment and desanding of casting, descaling of forgings and derubbing of aluminium parts. Range starting from 300 kgs to 500 kgs. Range starting from 300 kgs to 15,000 kgs. Foundry grinders. Pedestal grinder, flashlight grinder, swing frame pedestal grinder, grinder with jib crane. VME's no-bake division for chemically bonded sand systems. No-bake equipment. Continuous mixer. 10 tons per hour single arm. Double arm 20 tons per hour articulated type. Double arm 10 tons per hour articulated type. 20-ton compaction table. 2 motors arranged in contra-rotate and produce a vertical linear motion. Automatic operation controlled by pneumatic foot switch. Shakeout cum sand reclamation. Shakeout machine cum sand reclamation combination unit consists of 3-stage separation. Shakeout machines uses predominantly vertical vibration to separate casting and sand or sand lumps. Capacity 20 tons. Grid size 3 meters into 3 meters. Rollover stripping machine. The rollover and stripping machine barrel provides the rollover of the mold and the stripping of patterns. Hydraulic working and automatic control of operations by sensor and PLC. Mold closing station. The mold manipulator is used to lift and roll over the half mold and to close the molds. Automatic cycle. Control system by sensor and PLC. Pollution control equipment. Motorized cassette filter. Cassette filter operates fully automatically with reverse air cleaning system. This custom-made filter allows economic operation within constantly low filter differential pressure.